You're going to learn the best travel hacks for a hotel room. The number one hotel hack is to use the pants coat hanger in the closet of your hotel room to keep the curtains closed so that in the morning of your vacation, that bright, sunshiny, wonderful vacation light is not going to wake you up on the first or second or third day once you finally sleep in the morning. The second travel hack is if there is a fire or a lot of smoke in the hallway of your hotel room, to point your shoes the night before in the direction of the closest stairwell so that you can exit quickly in the middle of the night. You're not thinking straight. That's a quick hack to help you. If you stain any of your vacation outfits, one hack is to use the coffee pot in your hotel room to boil some water and just pour over the stain. I know it works with Kool-Aid. There are also Tide sink packets that have enough liquid in it to wash in your hotel sink about 3 or 4 shirts, and they're easy to pack in that liquids bag. If your hotel does not have a sink, then you can use a gallon bag that you've packed in your carry-on suitcase. Some other travel hacks in a hotel room are to use what there is available in the hotel room. One travel hack is to use the paper coffee cup as a makeup brush holder. You can also just use the washcloth laid out like my cleaning lady did in Las Vegas this summer. Look how organized they are. I need to take some tips from my hotel cleaning lady on how to organize my bathroom stuff. That is just beautiful to look at. You can also use that paper cup in a hotel room as a toothbrush stand holder so that your toothbrush, if it's the classic kind, does not lay on the bathroom counter to pick up germs. Just poke a hole in the bottom of that cup. Another travel hack with the hotel amenities is to use the ironing board in the hotel room for a craft table, for your dinner table, even as an extension of your bathroom countertop, especially if you have lots of girls in your hotel. But a travel tip is to remember that other people are going to be using that ironing board to iron white clothing, so please put a hotel hand towel on the ironing board to protect it from stains from your makeup. Amazon does make this folding countertop extension that will fit over your sink if you need more counter space. A subscriber named Kathy packs her placemat for her toiletries inside a hotel room. That works for her. The next travel hack is to pack Post-it notes in a little baggie so that you can cover up the light of the clock in the hotel room, and also remember to check the time to make sure it's correct and that no alarms are set. And then also to cover up the microwave light in your hotel room. And you can also cover up the peephole if that bothers you. Your hair clips can be used to cover up the razor blade of your razor. When we travel to a new city, we want to know the local food that is authentic. So our travel tip is to ask the hotel staff where the best off the beaten path restaurants are right when you get there. A couple of years ago, I asked the hotel staff here in Spring, Texas, what the most forgotten items were. Most travelers have forgotten phone chargers and electric toothbrushes. A travel hack to help you not forget those essential items for travel is to use a bright piece of fabric, just a scrap piece of fabric, or to use a valet tray. They come in several colors. You can also use the lid of the cup. You can even pack a peanut butter lid. They're bright, and on a new container, they're not dirty yet. Another item that I actually forgot to get, so I left it in Los Angeles, was a pillowcase that I had packed. It was a silk pillowcase, and that helps you not have wrinkles, especially after that first day where you don't really get that much sleep. But it also is a way to help your pillow smell like home. Also a hack that you can pack your clothes in it and roll it up as tightly as you can and use it as a packing cube inside your carry-on suitcase. Another travel hack for the airplane is to use that pillowcase full of clothes as a pillow on the tray table. That one was for free. Now let's get back to hotel tips. Another travel hack is to pack a little dryer sheet. It's going to help freshen up your hotel drawers. If you pack with compression cubes, let me know if you totally unpack your clothes from the cubes when you put them in your hotel drawers, or if you leave them in the compression cubes as a way of organization. A travel hack is to use the do not disturb sign as if you were inside the room. And therefore, if someone's trying to steal something from your hotel room, they'll pass by because that sign makes the criminal think that you are in the hotel room. You can also pack a little rubber doorstop. You can buy them easily on Amazon. Like this one, it looks thin enough to go under the hotel room door, but you can also pack your own. I have bought that real heavy door lock system and it is just too heavy, so I returned it last year. A lot of hotel rooms are using the key card thing to keep the electricity and air conditioning flowing. So a travel hack is to pack your old Blockbuster card or an old library card to use while you're gone during the day and that way your hotel room won't be all stuffy and warm when you return. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and say hey below if we have not met yet. I'm a Houston pilot wife and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. I just put out an international travel tips updated video, so make sure you watch that in the iCards or in the description box after this video. If you are traveling internationally or for a really long period of time, actually, one travel hack is to only pack half of your shampoo in your container and then mix it with some of the hotel shampoo to make it last longer, so you don't have to pack as many containers of liquid in that liquids bag. I've also used a Lush shampoo bar, which is great. A travel hack is to use the carrot peeler to peel off some shavings of it and pack it in a little baggie instead of having containers of shampoo in your liquids bag. One travel hack is to flush the toilet right when you get into your hotel room so that you find out sooner than later if it does not work. You know that I love packing clothes in compression packing cubes because it allows more space in your suitcase. Another travel hack is to use your child's soft-sided lunchbox as a packing cube. In my new tote bag, I packed in the little insulated cooler that comes with it. This tote bag is mainly for airline crews because it has that cooler that they can pack as well, or pack shoes under there, and they have easy access to it and don't have to open up or search in the bottom of the bag to find their essentials. I do have a discount code for that I will link below. I also have a discount code for this new carry-on suitcase that I love because finally I have found one that has the outer pocket and it's hard shell and it's only 21 inches, but I could pack the same amount of clothing and essentials in that one as I did in my 22-inch. I know some airlines, especially international ones, are becoming so strict as to what size bags you can bring. I absolutely love the blue interior, but here's a travel hack before you are traveling to act as if you're in a hurry with your personal item bag and your carry-on suitcase. Run to get it, throw it over your shoulder, throw it over the suitcase handles of the trolley strap to make sure that your bag easily fits over those suitcase handles, or if it's not wide enough, know before you go. You can soak cotton balls with your own makeup remover and put those in a baggie before you travel to a hotel room. They will last a few days and they do not count as liquids. You all know the travel hack of using contact containers for liquids like moisturizer and things like that. You can also cut off a piece of a baggie and put it over your shampoo container to help it not leak. I only recommend using the GoTube shampoo containers or liquid containers. They are fantastic. They have a double lock system. So I just would not buy the off-brand on that. I learned from experience as well. For your next vacation, if you get to stay in several different hotel rooms, this travel hack is to take a picture of the hotel room as well as take a picture of where you have parked at the airport. One travel tip, I don't know if you knew this, but you can add a photo to the notes section of your phone. So just open up the notes page on your phone and name it Vacation Summer this year. You're going to hold down for about 1.5 seconds until a prompt pops up and it's going to say select all and insert photo, and you just tap insert photo and you get to choose the photo of your hotel room or a document that you've taken a picture of, and you can insert it in your notes, easily accessible without Wi-Fi if you need it on the road. Another travel hack is to use the hotel cleaner bags for wet bathing suits. It's a really thick plastic, so it will hold up and will not let those wet things get on your other carry-on essentials. I hope you have a wonderful summer vacation or fall or winter whenever you're watching this. Let me know your travel hack below and be sure to look at the videos that I'll link down there as well. Thanks for your time.